Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how I created these Bowsette horns and crown for cosplay. So first thing first, you're going to need to mold or 3D print your parts. I ended up 3D printing basically everything I used for this build, and this is just a little montage of all of the parts. You can see they're a little bit transparent from the PLA plastic. I used a MakerBot. So now you have your 3D print. Some parts are going to be a little bit rough, so you're going to need to go in and sand those parts down. I ended up sanding the kind of behind portion of the horns. So this is just me sanding them down. And I actually really liked the texture of the rest of the horn. So I ended up only sanding this one part down for each of the horns. And I didn't use a high build automotive primer, so this is just a before and after of the horns, before sanding on top and after sanding on the bottom. So as I was saying before, I actually really liked the texture of the horns, so I didn't use a high build automotive primer to fill in the gaps. I actually just decided to paint right on the PLA plastic. So next is painting. I used a combination of these three colors to paint the horns, and I just kind of mixed a little bit of each. They're like 50 cents at Walmart, so super inexpensive. I used a sponge brush and just painted it right onto the plastic. I should have probably primed the plastic first with just like gesso or something, but I really wanted that texture and I was afraid of ruining that with any primer. It hasn't chipped yet, so hopefully it's all set. So this is just me painting the horn, and I painted both horns with the same color. I really liked this kind of bone color that those three paints created. So this is after they were done being painted. And then next we're gonna spray paint the crown and go in with acrylic paint to get the finer details, and also paint the earrings. As you can see, there's a lot of residue on the earrings from the 3D printing. I decided not to go in and sand them just because I was a little lazy. I glued the earrings together and put a keychain hook and an earring hook into them so they would be wearable. So next we're going to add some felt and a piece of cardstock underneath the crown so that it can be attached to a headband. And the headband I used was from the Dollar Tree. It already had these holes in it, so I used these little snaps that I glued in to kind of be able to snap everything together. And so this is for one of the horns, for example, and I just used hot glue to glue these snaps in. And then next, here's the crown with the cardboard attached, so now we can, or cardstock, now we can attach the little hooks. And here are the little snaps attached, and then the horns as well. So that's how everything looked, all attached. Here's just a close-up. The headband had to bend a little bit, but that was fine because it was a malleable plastic. And yeah, here's just another close-up picture of how it looked with the horn, and here's how everything came together on the day of. So I was really happy with this build. I think it came out really good. These are just some shots from the actual convention. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. I would love to help you with your Bowsette builds. Thanks everybody.